Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, thank you. I'm also fine. Welcome back to our online classes. Yes, in the previous class, we were discussing about the how to draw a line segment and how to measure a line segment by using a ruler or a scale. We can draw a line segment of a given length, or we can measure the length of a segment. Yes, here I will take two rays with the common endpoint. Two rays with the common endpoint. Here this is a ray of AB. AB is a ray and AC is a, or you can take here AB. AB is a, BA is a ray and BC is a another ray. Here they share a common point, the common endpoint. They share a common endpoint. This endpoint we call as it is a vertex. This is called, it is a common endpoint. It is a vertex and there is a formation of an angle. There is a formation of an angle. For this one we can call as a angle B. Angle B. Angle B. Angle B means this angle we denote in the form L. We can write first this one letter and middle letter is this angle vertex B is the middle letter. We can change this A and C, ABC. Angle ABC we can write, or angle B is first fixed, then CAB, angle CBA, not ABC, CBA, angle CBA or angle ABC we can write, and we can denote this one angle B, like this much only also we can write angle B, or one more method, that is on B you can keep a cap on as angle B. It is also implies angle B. This one angle means what? First, yes, we should write an angle is formed by two rays, yes, that have a common endpoint. An angle is formed by the two rays. Here this is the one ray. Yes, first it is BC ray and one more ray, that is AB. BA is another ray with the same common endpoint. They share a common endpoint. Then there is the formation of an angle. This angle only we can denote. We can write angle B. Angle B is, yes, first the middle letter. Out of these three letters, middle should be the vertex. This is angle where it is formed. This should be middle. We can interchange A to first or C first. A first or C. D is a fixed CBA or angle ABC. Yes, like this. Or we can write this much only, angle B. And one more type, angle B. This is also angle B. Formation of an angle. How it is? An angle is formed by two rays by sharing a common endpoint. Yes, write first angle definition. Very simple, these angles we'll discuss now. Yes, an angle is formed. An angle is formed by sharing a common by two rays with the common endpoint. Common endpoint. Yes, we can write an angle is formed by two rays with the common endpoint. Example here, yes, this is a one ray. BC is a ray and one more with the common endpoint. Yes, BA is the another ray. Here there is a angle B. We can denote this. We can write angle B. Angle B, or this one angle B is denoted as angle ABC or angle CBA or angle B, or one more type, put a cap on angle B. On B you just put a cap, then this is the denoting an angle. First you see here, this one, this common endpoint we call as a vertex. Common endpoint we call as a vertex. When writing an angle, the vertex is always middle. The vertex, it should be always middle, and out of these three, vertex should be always middle, and we can interchange the other two points. Other 2 points we can interchange. These letters, other 2 letters we can interchange. ABC we can write, or BA, CBA we can write. Yes, clear? This is here. How many rays are there? What are the rays? Yes, we can say the rays. Rays are, yes, which are the rays? BA and BC are the 2 rays. Vertex is, form the vertex is B. Then that is only we can call the angle where it is formed at the vertex. Angle ABC or CBA or angle B. Correct? Yes. Write down this one. Write neatly in your notebook. And this is the sign of angle. Symbol for the angle is here. I told you. Symbol for the angle. Right here. This L shape is the symbol for angle shape. This is also symbol for angle. Yes, write down this one. And next, we can solve a exercise on these angles. Are very easy. Complete the table by naming the rays, vertex and angle. Here there is a table. We should complete it. We should write the rays and label them and vertex. Very simple. 2 rays, vertex and angle. Complete the table by naming the rays, vertex and angle. A, the figure is, yes, very simple. 2 rays. A is the vertex, AC and AB 2 rays. Here you write 2 rays. Here angles is, here 2 rays, vertex and angles. Yes. What are these 2 rays? AB, ray AB and ray AC. You should not write CA. Why? It shows the towards C direction. Then yes, ray AC. Vertex is what here? Right. A is the vertex. And angles, we can write the angles. How many angles we can angle? BAC, angle BAC or angle CAB. CAB. Yes. B one, there is this one ray PQ. QP is a ray. QP. And one more. QR. QR is the another ray. Then with the common endpoint, which is the common endpoint? Q is the common. The rays are QP and QR are the two rays, and Q is the vertex angles. RQP or PQR. PQR angle. Angle PQR or angle RPQ. See question. Yes, the figure is with the common endpoint. Yes, here this is two rays of common endpoint Y. This is X, Z. YX is a ray and one more ray, that is YZ. YZ is the another ray. Y is the common vertex. Here X, Y, Z is one angle, or Z X Y. Sorry, Z Y X. Z Y X is the another angle. We can name it same angle only. Yes. Write down this. This is in a table. Here the angles. Yes, angles, two rays, vertex and angles. You write. What is the angle? Very clear notice. Yes. This is given in a table in your textbook. If you get the textbook, you can solve it very easy. Write down this. After this, yes, we can go for read each angle, name the two rays, vertex and angle. It's given separately, not in a table. Read each angle. Very simple questions. Read each angle, name the two rays, vertex and angle. Read each angle, name the vertex, rays, vertex and angle. Rays, vertex and angle. Yes. First one, a figure is yes. Here C is the vertex, CD is the ray, and CB is the another ray. Rays, right here separately. What are the rays? Rays are CB and CD. CD are two rays. Next vertex. Which is the vertex? Vertex is yes. C is the vertex. Next, about the angle. Angle we can write BCD is the angle. Angle BCD or DCB. DCB. You can write angle DCB. This is a very simple question. Writing rays, vertex and angle. B is the figure. Yes. T is the vertex. M. TM one ray. TN another ray. Right rays. Rays are TM one ray. Yes. TM and TN. TN are the two rays. And next vertex is correct. T is the vertex, common endpoint. Next angles. Angle, which is the angle? MTN. M angle MTN or NTM. NTM is the angle. Clear? Yes. Write down. Write neatly. Yes. Next figure is see QP one ray and QR and QP. Just we solve QR and right rays are QP and QR. Vertex is gold. Q is the vertex. Next angle. What are the angle? PQR RQP or PQR is the angle. Simple no? Yes. We'll go with another example. Okay. D1. Very simple figures are given here. Yes. M is a common endpoint. C is a one ray on one point of the ray. Yes, the rays are MS. Rays are M. Yes, and M C are the two rays. Vertex is M. Next angle CMS or you can write SMC. SMC is the angle or we can write CMS. If any examples given the figures, you can name them. Yes or no? If one more here, yes, this type. C D B CD array and CD another ray, two rays. Then vertex is C, angle BCB we can say or BCD, angle BCD or BCB. The C vertex it should come at the middle. Clear? Okay. Here next some figures are given. You should name them and write the vertex, angle, rays, everything. Vertex, angle, rays. You should only take your own names and you can write. After this, fill in the blanks is there. That one we will solve now. These are exercise from your question. Your textbook, the page number 131. Very simple this. The figures are given. You can give a name, any alphabets you can give, and write the vertex, yes, rays, angle. For that one I will give as a homework. Here third question, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Very simple. Yes, two rays, AB ray and YB and XB from the angle they will form the angle at the common end point. Which is common here? Here XB is there and YB and XB. Which is the common? B is the common. They will form angle at XBY at B. They form angle XBY at B. Here example take it. This is the XY or here XB. It is an array. Then we can write one more array. This is BY or YB is an array. Where they form an angle? They form an angle is at B. But the two rays XB and YB. XB and YB are the, we can name XBY angle XBY or YBX. Two angles we can. Yes or no? Very simple. When like this given, you take a picture of an angle, then we can write which is the angle, which is the vertex. Vertex, how will you come to know? Both the rays common point. Common, which is the alphabet, there will be a end point. Yes. Next is the two arms of angle PTAR. Very simple. Angle given, two rays, arms, or we can say rays. We can write the angle is what? PTA. First, the middle vertex should be T. Then we can write TP is a ray and TA is a angle ray. TP and angle form here. Here this is T. Here P and here we can take A. Then angle ATP or PTA. The rays are PT and AT. PT and AT are the arrays. Very simple, no? Yes. Another question. Dash is the vertex of ABC and its arms are. Yes. Here dash is the vertex of angle ABC. Dash is the vertex of angle ABC and here we can write rays are. Its arms are the rays. Its arms are dash and dash. You can write here the angle given is what? ABC is the angle. Then we can write B. Middle point will be the vertex. B is the vertex. Then AB is an array, or BA is an AB is an array, and CB is an another array. CB or and AB are the two arrays. Very simple question. D one. Yes, angle PQR and angle PQR and dash are the same angle having the vertex, same angle having the vertex you should write with the vertex PQR and interchange the middle one, write Q, interchange the alphabets first and last. RQP, PQR and RQP are the same, and which is the vertex? Middle alphabet, that is where is the vertex? Q is the vertex. You can write Q is the vertex. Very simple. Yes, write down this one also in your notebook. Write neatly. One more question is there. We'll solve that one, and after that I will give you as a homework remaining. Very simple, no? Yes. Taken up? Okay. Next question, the figure given is they have so many angles are there. Yes, you should write those angles. Very simple question. Name all the angles at a point P. The figure is, first name all the angles. Name all the angles at P, at point P, vertex of point P. Here the figure is, yes, this is the array AB. AB is array and point P is here. Point P is here, and from here also there is a one array, another array, and here three rays. Totally how many rays are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rays. Here P. 5 rays are having a common end point. Then we can write the angles at P. Yes, first we will take AP. Yes, here these names are C, D, and yes, it is E. How many are there? AP one ray, PB another ray, PC one ray, PD one more ray, and PE one more. The angles, we consider only these 3 points. Yes, the angles we can write. Angles are here. How many angles? We will write A P angle APC, one angle. Next we will take this straight. Yes, APB. There is also 2 rays. AP one ray, PB one ray at a common end point means angle APB. One more angle. Next angle we will consider 1, 2, 3 vertices. This P is the middle only. Always it should come at middle. C P D, angle CPD, and angle BPE, and one more angle, yes, EPB, yes, See angles. Here there is the one angle. Here one angle. Here one. Here one, and there is one. Totally how many angles? One. Again are there from here and this one also we can take one angle. Yes, angles will write. This total is also one angle. This total is also one angle. Yes, then this two is also one angle. This two I written here. Yes, we can write, and here is also one angle. Yes, APD angle APD one angle, and angle BPD BPD. Next, yes, this one CPE angle CPE. Yes, now from beginning I will tell here how many angles are there. Just you observe one by one. Yes, at point P. Yes, P is the point. Now first one, this is one angle we can take APB. Here one angle. Yes, angle APB I will make here this one. Yes. Next, APC is here. APC is here. There is one angle. Yes, we can take APC is another angle. Yes, after this CPD one more angle. CPD is here, one more angle. Next, DPE this angle DPE. Yes, after this EPB this one is an angle. Yes, again APD this one. Yes, APD one more angle. Next, BPD this one angle. APD BPD and CPE. Yes, this there is one more angle. After this also we can take APE means from here to here there is one angle. Yes, angle APE angle APE EPA or APE, and like this also here to there this one also one angle CPB or BPC angle CPB. This is also one angle we can take. Yes, very simple no? Yes, then totally how many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 angles. How many angles are there? We can write there are 10 angles. There are 10 angles. Yes. Write down this one also. Yes, write neatly in your notebook. You don't mark here. Yes, I given mark for your confirmation. You should know it. Where is the angle? Yes. Write this much. Written? Okay. With this, we will conclude today's class, and we will see some more problems, that is construction of angles. In the next class, we will see by using the protractor how to construct an angle. If you get any doubt, you can give a out.